Oops.
Yay!
Alright, so this is pretty exciting. I've been getting away from doing unboxing videos lately, but recently Two Brothers Productions had a special giveaway, and I actually won it. And I want to take the opportunity to show everybody what I won, and also share this with my girls.
Yay!
And also give a little bit of promotion for Two Brothers Productions. So what happened was Two Brothers Productions, it's actually Simon and Spencer, and they have a YouTube channel where they do ration reviews, along with some other stuff too. And there are a couple of young guys who are pretty excited to join the ration review community. And they recently passed 100 subscribers, which is a pretty cool milestone. And to celebrate, they went ahead and put together this special 100 sub giveaway. And I'm gonna, as I said, I'm gonna open it with my daughters because there's something in here that I think they'll be interested in. And I did want to enter it because I saw some stuff that I thought would make some good videos, some good reviews, some good videos. And I also kind of feel bad because I don't really have anything to give to Two Brothers Productions. You know, they made this awesome giveaway package for hitting 100 subscribers, and I thought something that maybe I can do is maybe I can use the power of my subscribers, and we can see if we can double their subscriptions. So they hit 100. And as of when I'm filming this, they're like around 110, 115 or so. But I was going to say, it'd be cool if you could go over and check out their channel. And if you like what you see, and if you're here for ration reviews, you probably will like what you see, hit them up with a subscription. And let's see if we can get them to 200 subscriptions. Alright, and without any further ado, why don't we go ahead and open this up. So I guess for tonight, we're going to be Two Sisters Productions. How does that sound? And see what Two Brothers Productions sent along. Most of the stuff is going to be probably somewhat boring for you guys, but there's something in here which is specifically why you're here. Alright, you ready?
Yes.
So, I'll say before we even get started, thank you to Simon and Spencer.
Thank you.
Oh, and speaking of which, this, I believe, is going to be a note just... Ooh. Let's tray this. We'll do that later. But, let me see. This will probably keep for myself, but let's just see what's on here. So, it's a personal note, but it's pretty cool stuff. And here it is, subscribe. And a pretty cool drawing right here of an MRE with 100 subscriptions on it. Cool. Alright, so there's a bunch of random MRE components. Cool stuff. Hey, this is actually interesting. This is an old, this is a meal kit supply flameless ration heater, which I recently did an old meal kit supply review and had this fail on me. But there's that one, and here's a more standard one. Yeah, hold on. Okay, here's some crackers, vegetable crackers. Some nut raisin mix. Here's some strawberry jam. Some shortbread cookies. Somebody's gonna be excited about that. Shortbread cookies. Some cheese spread. This is from Canadian ration. Some what is this? Raisin and spice oatmeal. Oh, maybe we could have that for breakfast in the morning. Let's see. Here's an accessory pack from a commercial MRE. Here's some kippered beef snack. Yay from me. Here's some osmotic cranberries. Raisins. Smoked almonds. Good for the mama. Yeah, there's something for everybody in here. Let's see. Some more nut raisin mix. Hide this stuff here. Here's some, I believe this is, are these, these are energy tablets. And here, this is also looks like, oh, what is this from? This also looks like it's from the Canadian. This is honey and almond flavored oatmeal.
Oh, wow.
Another accessory pack. This is an accessory pack from a long range patrol ration, LRP.
There's gum.
Looks like from 2013. Yeah, some gum in there.
I love that.
Another accessory pack. Getting down to some of the highlights here. Here's some more cheese spread. Alright, here comes some cool stuff. Well, there's a spoon. That's cool.
That's cool.
Let me show you all. Well, here is I believe this is from a long-range patrol ration or meal cold weather seafood chowder, freeze-dried. You're probably not too excited about that, but I think that's pretty cool. Oh, some more of these things here. There's strawberry dairy shake powder.
Whoa.
Right here is some, actually here's some military energy gum. You guys will not be having this. This is gum with caffeine in it. You don't need that.
Ooh, yes, we do.
This is pretty cool. This is, I believe these guys are into like Civil War reenactment kind of stuff and everything. And this is a canteen? Civil War canteen, yeah. So it's not just a canteen, but it's like Civil War style.
Yeah, tap, 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 tap.
So that's cool. With a, oop. I don't know if you can hear that. Makes a little doop noise. But it is a an old style Civil War canteen. I probably won't be doing any Civil War rations, but I'm not sure if I'll use that in any videos. But and then this is cool right here. This is an older MRE, pre-2008, and it's menu number 16, chicken with noodles. So it doesn't. I don't believe it has a date code on it. So I'm not exactly sure what the date code is. But it'd be interesting to do a vintage ration review with this. And they just randomly put in, but I saw this when they were making the package, they put in a newer chicken, egg noodles, and vegetables and sauce. So this is actually, this one, let's say how old it is. This is from 2015. So this is only a couple years old, and this is going to be over 10 years old. So what I'm thinking is doing a review of this and comparing the this entree to the entree in this one. So I thought that would be cool. Another cool thing here is they have a More, or M-O-R-E. This is a hot weather More from 2016. And I've actually never had a More before, so I'm looking forward to that and doing a review of that. So that's actually, there's at least 2 videos we got so far. And let's see, what else do we have? We have Two Brothers Productions t-shirt.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah, they have their own gear and everything, which is, it's a pretty cool thing. Now we get that, and this is, what size is this? They said this is an extra large. So actually, let's see, it's a little bit on the big size for me, but I'm sure I can still wear it. I was gonna say you guys could wear it, but it'd be a little bit on the big size for you guys. And now for this stuff for you guys. So that was all kind of stuff for me and for the channel and everything. Are you ready to see some interesting things for you guys?
Yes.
Okay. Here are some Hi-Chew. These, I believe, are candies, right? And these are, look, these are soda flavored. There's cola and orange soda.
Ooh.
Let's see, it must be all be those two. So you guys are gonna, hopefully we'll get a chance to make a video and you guys will actually review these. Okay, how's that sound?
Good.
Okay, so there's a whole bunch of those. Leave them in there. And there is this, oh boy, Puchow. Puchow. This is either gum or candy, I'm not sure. And I believe this is also soda flavored too. It's actually, it's Ramune flavor. Remember that soda that we had before? The marbles in it?
Yes.
That's what this is supposed to be flavored
I love
like.
That. Oh my gosh, I need that.
Hold on. And we have this here Botan rice candy. I heard that's kind of interesting. We've never had that before. So you guys will try that out. Check this one out.
Oh, it's like the mini bottle.
It doesn't really say, does it? But I think these are soda flavored too. You can see it kind of looks like they're in like a soda bottle. It kind of smells interesting.
Yeah.
It almost. Does it smell like anything?
Yeah.
Or what?
Poop.
It kind of reminds me of something in the bathroom, like a. I'm sure they taste better than that, but I think it's the plastic from the bottle.
Yeah.
But anyway, we'll check that out. And then this right here, this one hidden thing. I believe I know what this is. I believe, in addition to all this soda flavored stuff, we're also going to have some. It's very safely packaged. Ramune soda.
Yes,
Another one, and this
It's
is
the ball
orange
one.
flavor.
Wait, is it the ball?
Yes. Yeah.
I can see the
I love
resemblance
ball.
of these
These are the
two.
balls up in the
Look,
top.
there's like that.
Yeah, yeah, they
Oh,
do.
that has
They
a
actually
ball
were
at the
mentioning
top?
that they have these. Oops. Yeah, how this has these things. So we have some Ramune soda, some Ramune flavored candy, some soda flavored candy. So there's kind of a theme going on. And then check this last one out. Hopefully this is something I'll be able to do in a video. Are you ready? I'm thinking you with this.
Oh, wow.
Poppin' Cookin'
Oh, my gosh.
Tenoshi cakes. So cute and so fun. So this is like the cooking thing, you know, it has like a little tray in it, and you actually make all these little ice creams.
Oh, wow.
What do you think of that? You excited?
Yeah.
I had a feeling you might be. So, this is kind of stuff that I'm hoping we'll get a chance to make a video with you guys. And then there's a whole bunch of stuff over here that I'm hoping to make some videos for me, for all the guys and gals subscribe to the channel. So, what do we say to Simon and Spencer?
Thank you.
Alright, congratulations you guys on 100 subs, and let's see if we can get up to 200.
Woohoo!
Thanks for watching.